It's time for the road trip of a lifetime. We're headed to Valdez, Alaska. It is where the locals go for their vacations. I'm sure some tourists go as well. Fine. Probably getting closer to 5 in the morning. The old midnight sun is still out. You can pretty much go do whatever you want, whenever you want, because it's always light. Yes, this was recorded just after K-Pop Demon Hunters came out. Yes, we basically listened to this nonstop for the 6-hour road trip. And of course, I hated every second. I didn't sing along, no matter how catchy the beat may have seemed at the time. Don't worry, I'm not going to subject you to having to listen to that utter trash. It has nothing to do with the copyright expense at all. We're going to play some nice, free copyright music over the top of these beautiful road trip shots. Take it away. All right, we're about 2/3 of the way there. It's been really good. It's been a little bit of a rough ride pulling a big camper. The worst part, though, is probably I've had this cougar that's been riding my tail the whole time. Well, we made it to the next gas station. Just barely. If you're wondering why I keep extra gas jugs.
Bridal View Falls.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, here it is. Okay, this is where we were coming. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's so big. Oh yeah, we're getting the drone out here. Bridal Veil Falls. It's the tallest waterfall in some specific area. We have committed a bug genocide. Their numbers will never recover. City center, 22 miles. Nice, good shot. Okay, we're at a glacier runoff lake. Might be a little chilly. Oh, ice cold. Yaza, son. Whoo. Oh.
There he goes.
Didn't put it on his foot.
Oh.
Oh,
Jesus. Just go on your knees. Oh, Jesus.
come on, he's barely done it. Like,
He's heavier. Look how it's sinking and tippy for him.
Wow. Becoming a YouTuber has really shown me what my family really thinks about me. Ooh, I'm pretty unstable on this thing. Oh. One on my knees. Don't judge me, people. If I'm being honest, I don't want to fall in. It's cold out here. Holy one. Look at that. Oh, it's like ice underneath, I guess. It's just, oh, look at it dripping under there. See that?
Far away you can fly that thing?
Like 6,000, a little over a mile. Yeah, and you go about 400 feet high. So
400 feet high.
this guy was a complete inspiration. He started talking to us because he was so impressed with what the drone could do, which was awesome. But then he was giving us life lessons. He was literally making us laugh out loud multiple times. And ever since his wife had passed, he started traveling the world. So he actually knew more about Alaska in some ways than we did.
He's been to the North Pole. I told him we live in North Pole, Alaska.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
you live in. I pass it. It's like a big thing there that you have a building that say North Pole and everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Santa Claus house. This was a great reminder for me that meeting people like this is not a distraction from the trip, but a delight. Are you trying to video or something?
Trying to make a video for my husband's YouTube.
5X that thing.
Are you sure?
Yeah, do it.
That seems like a lot.
It's gotta be steady.
Okay. Wrong. Feels wrong. Oh,
We're
hello.
so good at this nature stuff. Just talking the whole time.
We should have a nature
Oh
documentary.
my gosh, I forgot. These wildlife shots are from Solomon Gulch Hatchery, where they hatch a bunch of salmon, so it attracts a bunch of wildlife. I especially love how these sea lions look like boiling hot dogs in the water, the way they blow the bubbles. Oh yeah, look at this. This is like perfect. Okay, let's see here. I got a stick. Stick on! Stick on! Quick, get the net! Little did I know this would be the last enjoyable cast of the day. I would be relegated to untangling fishing lines for my kids forever. Okay, I'll get it. Okay, one sec.
Sorry.
It's okay. Holy moly. This is my life, untangling. Okay. See if Daddy can throw a couple out before somebody else needs me. That's okay, one sec, let me help. Don't make it worse. Oh, don't move. Don't tangle in the trees. Oh, you just went over mine. Reel it in, reel it in. Darn it. You got mine. Stay right there, that's good. Yep. Okay. Alright, that's what you say. Did you see the sea lion? Yeah, it came up full body, just like you. Alrighty, it is early. It is 3:52. So today is our last full day in Valdez, and tomorrow we're gonna leave super early. So I was like, this is our only time to fish. Oh my god. I think I might be hearing a bear here. You know, maybe it's a sea lion. Here we go. Yeah, I definitely see the sea lions over there. Oh, was that a fish? Or is that an otter? I don't want to get freaking mauled by an otter. There's the otter. Hey, buddy. You see any bears? I don't hear bears. I don't see bears. I'm away from sea lions. Otters swimming away. I mean, what more can I do, folks? I don't know if you guys can hear that. Oh my gosh. I've been up since about 1 in the morning. Couldn't sleep anymore, got excited thinking about catching fish. Definitely not seeing the fish flopping around. Oh, well, there it is right there. Oh no, I just snagged something. Oh, looky there. Okay, I see you, fish. I can reach you there. Yes, sir, I can. Oh, got one. Oh, shoot, lost it. There it is. Go ahead. Got it. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. that thing off of there. Oh, come on. Come on, boy. Oh, shoot fire, man. Blake, reel it in a little more. Big fish for this little net. That net's a little small, if we're being honest. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. I'm gonna do a long cast to get this tangle out, but they're up close here for sure. Nope, that just made it worse. Okay, okay. Got him. Oop, oop, oop. Get that hook on me. There it is. Oop. And this was the moment I became Smeagol from Lord of the Rings. Yeah. 2. They're hungry now. They want what I'm cooking. Oh, he wants it. He's gonna get it. You hungry? I got something cooking for you. Yep. Oh no, I got it. Ah, buddy. Oh, lucky ducky. Yep, here we go. There we go. Nope. Yep, do I? No, I gotta snag something. Oh, shoot. Holy moly. They're not fast on land, are they? Surely not. Oh, see those fish out there, though? You getting them? You want me to get them? Huffing at me. I don't know their behavior, but that sure doesn't seem like he's happy for me to be here. Whew! This place scares me. I'm not used to all this wildlife just being so comfortable. Oh, it's a tiny little one. What are you doing, bud? Let me help you. Oh, you're like a little eel or something. I can't grab it. It's like a wet watermelon seed on a tile floor. Man, them sea lions are frisky. Get fresh with it. There it is. Alrighty, well that was pretty darn successful. 4 fish, and I'm excited about it. So I gotta go lay these suckers up. I have never been more happy about a bad camera angle than now, since you could not see my terrible fillet job. It was truly horrendous. Here's a few shots my wife took while we were on the Stan Stevens Glacier and Wildlife Tour. If you guys enjoy this, she has her own channel, Alaska Slow TV, which is long drives through Alaska, landscape, all kinds of beautiful scenery. So you should definitely go over there, watch the videos, like the videos, and subscribe. I would never ask that for my own channel, but for sure do it for my wife.
Girls, listen.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh my.
This is not any type of pigmentation. It's actually a refraction of light through the ice.
We are headed back. It is once again 4:45, having a little baby. We like to travel super early. Yeah, the big concerns here are the huge hill that we came down that we have to now climb out of. This old girl's tow capacity is at 10,000, which I think is really hopeful, and we're like probably bumping up against that.